bring it right down. Now,
I ain't got a drone up.
You've got a drone up.
I haven't.
You haven't walked past me with a drone.
I haven't got a drone up.
Where is your drone?
Pardon?
Where's your drone? Right. Just listen to me, just go over a sec.
What?
Right. You've obviously got the drone up.
I haven't.
Well, you have.
No, I haven't.
Just listen to me.
No, you listen to me.
Right.
I haven't got a drone up.
Just listen to me.
Go ahead.
So what's that then?
That's some drone footage.
Right. Okay, so where's your drone?
Huh?
Where's your drone?
What's it got to do with you, buddy?
Right. Just so you know, you are committing an offence.
I'm not committing an offence at all. Am I flying at this minute?
Listen to me.
Am I flying?
Listen to me.
Go ahead.
Right.
Just to let you know, we'll contact the Civil Aviation Authority to put a temporary ban on flying.
Mate, he said I'm flying. No, I'm not.
So,
am I flying?
So where's
your drone?
The first officer walks up and immediately launches into an accusation, claiming the auditor still has a drone in the air. Calmly, the auditor explains the flight had already ended and the drone was packed away. Pointing at the controller screen, the officer mistakes recorded footage for a live flight. Even after the correction, he doubles down, refusing to check facts. Then comes the kicker. Another officer suggests contacting the CAA for a restriction, unintentionally proving there was none in place to begin with.
Just crack on with your job.
Right. Under Article 256 of the air navigation, you are committing an offence.
Offence? Am I flying a drone at this minute?
Near the building.
Look, the joypad's not moving. Look at that, guys. He's just said I'm committing an offence.
They can fly themselves. It's not stupid. I own a drone myself.
You want a drone? So am I committing an offence now?
Yes, you are.
So are you arresting me then? Are you arresting me?
I'm going to take your details and someone just...
I'm not giving you the details.
Right, well, I have to arrest you.
Go on then. Go on then.
Right, okay.
I have not got...
The officer tries to build a case using Article 256 of the Air Navigation Order, which applies only to reckless or dangerous drone flights. But nothing about this flight fit that description. The auditor had flown responsibly, away from people and property, with a DJI Mini, legally exempt from heavier restrictions. Instead of verifying, officers escalated. One officer even yanked the controller from his hands. A reckless move that ironically created the only real danger that day.
I'm not flying a drone. My drone's in my bag, you pair of muppets.
You won't give us the drone.
Mate, you've just... Am I being detained? Detained for what?
Committing an offence under the Aviation Act. Okay? I have told you that. I have asked you...
Am I being detained?
I have asked you...
Am I being detained? Am I arrested?
Yes, you are.
Right.
Okay, all you need to do is show us his drone.
My drone's in my bag.
I asked you, you said...
My drone is in my bag. Check my bag.
I know that, but he's made that decision. He's a grown man, and if he wants...
Mate, no, my drone's in my bag. I've told him it's in my bag. He's detaining me, arresting me for a drone.
You need to get your details as well, your name and address as well.
What? I was flying it before you actually told me it was an offence. Why is it an offence when I've got a... Are you arresting me? Serious?
Yes, I've just arrested you.
Will you check that bag just to make sure my drone's in there?
Once we've established safety details...
This is... Hey, do you know what? This is an unlawful...
Listen to me, alright, before you start shouting. Once we've ascertained your details and confirmed who you are, we can look at de-arresting you in relation to...
De-arresting me? I've not committed an offence from the start.
Under UK law, an arrest requires reasonable grounds, not speculation. The auditor calmly explained he had committed no offence and carried the proper license. Yet the officers didn't ask basic questions: what drone it was, what category it fell into, or whether it even needed a license. Instead, they jumped straight to arrest. What unfolded wasn't careful policing, but a display of guesswork fueled by authority, ignoring facts that were available right in front of them.
You don't arrest people first, mate. That you're doing the wrong thing. The law...
You come with me.
Pardon? It wasn't flying, mate.
Come with me.
Jog on, you muppet. Who's got the controller and the phone?
What did you do?
I need that control and the phone because he's got the evidence, mate.
Right, okay.
I proved to you I weren't flying a drone.
You haven't proved it, you was being awkward.
Mate, you said that I was flying a drone.
Controller is. I can't talk, you're shouting.
I have got handcuffs on and they're hurting, mate.
Have you got his controller? Right.
I do.
We'll take the controller.
So look at that, that's still going as we speak.
Right.
That was from footage before when there was no blocker in the area.
Just search his bag.
Yeah, of course, mate. What was your name, fella?
I'm not telling you my name. I'm not telling you my name. I'm not obliged to because I'm not committed an offence.
I was only asking your name.
Here we see a subtle pressure tactic in action. A female officer casually asked for the auditor's name, knowing full well he wasn't legally obliged to provide it without cause. When he declined, she quickly backtracked, framing it as harmless curiosity. But this is a calculated move, an implied demand dressed up as a casual question. In high-pressure encounters, a request from a uniformed officer isn't neutral. It carries weight, designed to make asserting your rights seem unreasonable.
Now,
I've already told you, under the Aviation Act, you are committing offence. You're flying a drone near buildings.
near buildings,
Without a licence, you can't do that.
I've got a licence. I've got a licence. Am I permitted to give you a licence? Because this area isn't exempt from the CAA.
What is it?
Eh?
Where's the drone?
It's in the bag. Look through the rest of the bag. Not inside the bag, not that bit.
Sorry guys, can I just ask you to take a couple of steps back for me? Thank you.
No, it's sorry.
Oh, so now Constable is seeing that my drone's in the bag, as it is. It wasn't flying when he pulled me and put me in handcuffs. So now, this is a wrongful arrest. Am I still being detained, Constable? Please let me know soon, because the longer this goes on, the more you will be a civil court matter. Okay. And I will prosecute you.
That's fine.
Personally. You've detained...
Make complaints, Lancashire Constabulary, mate, by all means do so.
Are you being cocky, Louis?
No, I'm telling you where to make your complaint.
Peace, what's your collar number?
Sergeant 5409.
Sergeant 540. Are you happy with your constable doing what he's done to me?
You'd like to make a complaint?
Are you happy with what your constable's done to me?
Ashley?
When the officers searched the bag and pulled out the drone, the truth was undeniable. The device was on the ground, not in the air. The core accusation collapsed instantly. Yet instead of admitting the mistake, the officers carried on as if nothing had changed. No law had been broken, no danger created, and no flight was underway. The arrest was based on assumption, and once disproven, the entire foundation of their authority fell apart.
How can I commit offence when I wasn't flying?
Do you want to
At the
listen or shout at
time,
him?
you wouldn't tell me whether you was flying or not.
I wasn't committing an offence.
Right? Listen to me. At the time, I suspected you was committing the offence.
No, you said I was committing an offence.
Because you wouldn't tell me you had the drone in the bag.
No, I told you I didn't have it.
No, you didn't.
Mate, you've done an unlawful arrest on me today. What's your collar number?
You can have a call at 8512. Okay? Listen to me. You're now de-arrested because you're not flying the drone. Should you?
I tried to tell you I wasn't flying a drone.
Should you that drone take off? You will be arrested.
No, I won't. Okay. No, I won't. If I want to fly that,
CCTV and monitoring.
I want to fly that. This is a legal way I can fly this drone.
The auditor responded with confidence, pointing out that if he wanted to launch the drone again, he could legally do so. He held the proper license and followed regulations. That statement was correct. UK drone law is clear. Police cannot block legal flights based on discomfort or personal bias. But rather than accept this reality, the officer tried to reassert control with vague threats, relying not on law but on intimidation and misplaced ego.
What? So are you saying if I fly that now, I'm being arrested?
Are you going to keep still, or it's going to hurt when you take your handcuffs off?
Listen, stop pushing my back. You're making things a lot worse here.
It's going to hurt.
You muppet.
Don't be swearing.
I will swear, because he's arresting me for nothing.
You're going to get yourself locked up for something else.
Locked up for what? Public order?
Breach the peace or public order.
Breach of the peace. Go on, crack on, crack on. You've put me in handcuffs for nothing. Don't put them on the other way around next time, you Joey. You not put a pair of handcuffs on, or what? So why are you twisting them like that?
Your hand away.
I ain't pulling. Do you think I want to walk away with that on me? You Joey. You're a muppet, mate. You've arrested. What you arresting me then for nothing? I weren't flying a drone, and it's illegal to fly a drone here.
All right, okay.
Is it not?
Prove it then.
Prove it. I'll give you my operator's ID.
Go on then. Okay.
Go on then.
Let's have a look at your ID.
I'm going to give you my operator's ID right now, where it's legal to fly a drone right here.
Okay. So that says.
When questioned about flying near people and buildings, the officer revealed his lack of understanding of drone law. Drones under 250 grams, like the DJI Mini, fall into the A1 subcategory and are legally permitted to operate in built-up areas. No minimum distance is required. These rules exist because drones of that weight pose minimal risk. Yet the officer framed the auditor as bending the law, when in fact he was operating squarely within it.
Here we go, because I'm going to make a civil claim against you, right? I'm going to show you the drone. This is.
The drone. I know what they are.
Do you see that there, buddy?
It's a DJI Mini. I know.
DJI Mini, it's under 250 grams, right?
Yeah.
Nothing around here in Preston is exempt from me flying above, and I wouldn't be. I wouldn't.
Near a burning building.
I was 120 metres above the sky, buddy.
And interfering with emergency.
Not interfering, no.
Yes, you
Not
was.
interfering.
Yes, it was.
I wasn't
Your signal
interfering.
was interfering
No, it
with the
wasn't.
fire brigade drone.
No, it wasn't.
Hence why it's
Don't
up
lie.
and down.
Don't
Have
lie.
you got your license?
What?
You got your license?
For one, I'm not permitted to show you my
You just told me
license.
you're going to show me, now you're not.
But do you know what that is?
You're lying then.
That's my operator's license number.
Right, so
Yeah.
I will contact then the CAA and I will let them know about your unlawful flying of the drone.
It wasn't
And
unlawful.
You'll lose your license, won't you?
No, it won't.
You're being modified.
The auditor even produced his operator ID, going beyond what was required. Instead of acknowledging this transparency, the officer escalated again, threatening to report him to the CAA and have his license revoked. It was an empty threat. If restrictions had existed, the DJI Mini's geofencing would have blocked the flight entirely. The very fact it took off proved legality. The officer wasn't enforcing the law. He was scrambling to justify a mistake.
Put a blocker in the area.
Well, they're doing it now.
Well, once they do that, that will stop me flying.
Carry on shouting, you're going to get locked up.
No, I won't stop
Yes, you will
shouting.
get
No,
locked
what?
up.
This is me.
Right. Well,
What are you going to arrest me
shout
for?
in my face.
What are you going to
You're
arrest
lawyer
me
for a breach of the peace? As simple as that.
Oh, breach
Do
of
not
peace.
shout in my
You
face.
can't be offended.
Right.
You can't be
I
offended.
can't be offended. These firefighters can. This baby here in this pram can.
I'm really. Do you know what I'm offended? You're a muppet.
All right.
Yeah. Do you know why? Because you illegally arrested me then.
All right, cool.
Yeah. Did you not illegally arrest me then?
you're not suspected, you fly
My
the
wrist.
drone.
Look at my wrist there.
Right.
My
Put a
wrists are
complaint
killing
in.
for what
Put a
you did.
complaint
You
in.
are a muppet.
Right. Put a complaint.
8512.
Yes.
Yeah.
Put a complaint.
I'm gonna-
That's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Look at you laughing about it. What type of a Joey are you? You are a tyrant, Constable. You think you can do that to people when I've got a license for a drone?
Okay.
Have I got a license?
You've not
That will be proven in court.
Real license.
Pardon?
Not
You
sure.
didn't actually put me in handcuffs.
I have.
That's not the way you do it.
Flying the drone. You said no. You said yes. You wouldn't tell me whether you was flying the drone.
Also, you just arrest people on
You
that.
wouldn't show me.
Despite repeated explanations, the officer never asked the simplest of questions: what drone it was, whether restrictions applied, or if the footage was live. 30 seconds of proper inquiry would have shown no offense had occurred. Instead, the arrest went forward, built on ignorance of CAA drone rules. The officer didn't understand weight categories, flight permissions, or urban exemptions. This wasn't a case of bending regulations. It was a clear failure to even know them.
I don't know it. You're a Joey.
Thank you.
You are a muppet.
Thank you.
I'm disrespected.
Right. Now
I've been.
you're breaching the peace because there's members of the public there that are offended by.
Are you
your
offended
language.
by what I just
Right,
said?
So listen to me. Back it in with the language. or you're
I'm
gonna get
speaking
locked
to
up.
you.
Simple as. Move on.
No, I'm going this way.
Right. Move that way then.
Is my silence good enough for you?
Yes, that's perfect.
Is that all right?
Yeah.
You're a tyrant, aren't you?
Keep an eye on this guy for us, please.
Keep it out. He's all right with me. He's all right. He's all right.
Excuse me, you stood in my way.
Huh? You're stood in my way.
How we doing, kid?
Look at this guy. He's a proper tyrant. Idiot. He just arrested me. Everybody, this is the Preston Police Force for you. Joey.
You're a tyrant.
Tyrant.
As the officer walked away, he gave a smug wave, as though he'd won. But the camera told a different story. This was no victory. It was a public display of poor policing. Later, the auditor filed a civil claim for wrongful arrest and won. The payout, £1,150, with £837.50 after costs, was more than money. It was validation. The law sided with him, proving that ego, assumption, and intimidation had no place in policing.